I feel like I am doing an Ipsy mystery box unboxing like every week right now. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel where we do lots of unboxings over here. Today we're diving into another Ipsy mystery bag. And you guys, I just cannot believe how many of these bags they are putting out. And the fact that they do them every month, but they're not doing just one mystery bag. Ipsy lately has been doing multiples every single month as well. So it is just like mystery bag after mystery bag after mystery bag right now. So today we are diving into the Spring It On mystery bag. This is a full-size mystery bag, meaning we are going to receive 5 full-size products inside of it. It did retail for a little bit more than their other bags just because it is full-size products, but the bag is so cute. So we're going to go ahead and get started with this unboxing. We're going to open it all up and check out all of our items. If you guys do want to purchase this mystery bag, I will post a link down below. As of the timing of this video, it is still in stock. The retail price tag on this is $32, and they estimate that there is $224 worth of products inside of this bag, which, again, I don't know if I believe that. We will see how it goes, but honestly, I always just kind of feel like when it's over $200 at that point, I'm like, yeah, there's no way. Like, I'm very skeptical of anything over $200. So here is our Spring It On mystery bag. Is it not cute? I think this is just adorable. I love the puffy designs too. And I feel like this and its counterpart, there's a smaller one that's a sample size bag. They look so cute together. I mean, it is a great spring combination. I love the colors that they went with. The stripes are super adorable. I even like the fun little charm that they have over here. It's nice. It goes with it. It's different. It's not like they use that on anything else, but I feel like in this case, it really all just works together. So I think this is a stunning bag. This is a larger bag, so you are able to use this as like a travel on the go version. I feel like because of it being so puffy, you could put pallets in here and it would be better protected when traveling. That's at least my theory. I feel like it's like a bubble wrapped bag. Now, like I said, there is another bag that is very similar to this that is the counterpart, and it is supposed to feature 5 sample-sized items in it. Now, I did order that bag, and I received it. However, it is missing 1 item inside of it, so I just decided to wait to film that one. Ipsy did contact me before I even received the bag. They sent an email out saying that they forgot to include an item, so they've already shipped it. I have that tracking number and everything. And I just figured I'll do a separate video for that. So that unboxing will be coming soon, but I didn't want to hold this one back because it might not be here for another week, to be honest with you guys. And I thought if you're looking at purchasing this, I want to get this up. That way you guys can kind of see what to expect. But the other one will be coming. First item in this mystery bag today is from Basic Beauty, and we have a sponge set. Okay, I mean, it's sponges. You know what I mean? Like, I use sponges, but also they're not that expensive. I mean, honestly, you can buy these so cheaply nowadays. This is a cruelty-free set. It says that they are flexible and they'll give you a flawless finish. You can use them wet or dry. So, I mean, to me, it's like, you know, they all kind of do the same thing. So I don't think this is bad, but it's just okay. Next item that I have in here is from Dermalect. Okay. This is their XL Lash Volumizer. So this is supposed to give you more length and volume with your lashes. This has a lot of peptides inside of it, but it's also got a conditioning treatment that will help to moisturize your lashes while using it. They say you can also use this with your eyebrows as well. So if you wanted to do both, you could definitely do that. So this is what it looks like. Now, I've tried this before and I want to say it's expensive. Like, I want to say this is like a $50 product. Now, I might be wrong on that, but I just, in my mind, it's more expensive than I thought it was going to be. So it is a serum and it's just a paintbrush that you'll apply on. It is clear. So that is why you can apply this to your eyebrows. You can put it on your eyelashes. It will make them softer, healthier, stronger. And then in theory, it should give you more volume over time. So it does mention as well that this is going to fortify your lashes, making them stronger, longer over time. That way they won't be brittle and break off. I think this was a really good item to have in here. Personally, I think this was a score. I also have from Sophia and Maybell their Set in Prep Setting Spray. So this is a coconut setting spray that will give you hydration, and it is supposed to lock in your makeup for 12 hours without settling into any fine lines. It is cruelty free. So let's go ahead and check this out. This is what it will look like. Now, Sophia and Maybell, they're just okay to me. I feel like they have a couple items that are really good. Like they do have a couple brow products that I really like, but I don't love everything in their lineup. But we're going to try this one here and we'll see what I think of it here. Let me smell it. Oh, it tastes coconut. Yeah, this is 100% a coconut water. Like it almost smells good enough to drink. I wouldn't do that, but it does smell really good. So I'm going to shake it up and we'll do a quick spritz with the mister and see how it does. Let's see here. Oh, this is great. Super fine. It smells really good as well. Yes, and it does feel tacky. So actually, this might be a really good setting spray. So far, I like it enough that I will definitely try it. I also have an item from Context. This is their Dual Lip Pencil. Dual lip, what does that mean? Do we get 2 shades? Maybe? Let's see in here. I get so impatient, you guys. I'm just like, what is it? Tell me all of the details. I don't even want to open it. But it is 2! So we get 2 colors. We have Locked In and Forever Free. These are cute. I like the shades. You guys, this is actually going very well. I mean, honestly, I don't know what has happened this year, you guys, but I feel like the Ipsy mystery bags are way better this year than they've ever been. Like, I open up almost every single one of them. And seriously, this year they have really improved. Or I'm getting very used to them. I don't know what it is. I don't know if they've gotten better or if I've just gotten used to what they're sending, but I think this is great. So this first one is the Forever Free. I want to check out if it's a cream formula or it is, yeah. So it's a creamy lip liner here and not the pencil version. I like them. They're very feminine, very flirty. I like it. Oh my gosh, you guys. Holy bananas. I am so excited. This is from Danessa Myricks and I love her. I don't feel like I talk about any other MUA on my channel other than her. It's probably not even fair, but I'm obsessed with her products and her work. So this is her full-size highlighting face and body balm. We have it in the shade Rose Water. So this is our full-size product. I am so excited. This is great. I'm so happy. You know what? I don't even care about the other items because I'm just happy. Whenever I get her products, I'm like, yes, this is exactly what I want. So she is a makeup artist. She has lots of different products. Her eyeshadow palettes are gorgeous. I highly recommend you guys check it out. They are expensive, but I do think they're just beautiful. Now, I've tried a couple of things lately that have not all been my favorite. So I'm hoping those were just one-off products. I guess in theory, you can't love everything. But this one, I've never tried before. I've seen it on the Ipsy website, and I think they had this as a product in the icon box, but I didn't receive it in mine, and my sister didn't get it in hers either. So I will 100% take this. So this is our gorgeous packaging, and then down below, you're gonna have that highlighting balm. So this is a balmy texture that will give you this pink highlight, but it's supposed to look wet. So it looks a little bit more dewy, and there is a touch of shimmer in it. This packaging is so gorgeous though. I love it. You guys, this was really good. Like, honestly, I am shocked. I feel like this was pretty good. Now, the sponges are definitely, they're basic. And I know that's coming from Basic Beauty, but they are basic. They're not as exciting. I would have felt the same way even if it was brushes. They're just okay to me. But I think the Dermalect is a huge win. I'm pretty sure that's a score. I feel like the Danessa in here is amazing. Those two products alone paid for this bag, so I'm thrilled with that. The setting spray seems really promising from what I can tell, and I think the shades are gorgeous on the lip liner. Plus, I have this really cute bag, so all in all, I have to say this was a great mystery bag today. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think of this bag, and let me know if you're gonna get one as well. I just cannot believe Ipsy this year. Like, I don't know how it is that they're doing so much better. Like last year, I'm telling you guys, it was a struggle. Like the bags themselves were cute, but the products were so lackluster. We never got these kinds of brands in the mystery bags a year ago. So I'm grateful. I'm honestly not complaining. I'm just shocked that this has been so good this year. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!